Okay, so the problem we're given is there's 65.7 grams of aluminum, how much oxygen needs to burn to complete the equation, and how much aluminum oxide is made. So the first thing we're going to do is change grams to moles of Al. So we're given 67.5, and then we're going to divide that by the molar mass given to us on the periodic table for aluminum, which is 26.98. And then we'll find that that is 2.435, and we'll round that to 2.44. Next thing we have to do is balance the equations. So we're going to first balance out the oxygen. So with our common multiple of 6, we'll add a 2 over here, a 3 over here, and then we need to add a 2 over here. So now that we have a balanced equation, we can start doing our BCA table. So for aluminum, we are given 2.44, which is what we found earlier, for the starting amount. Then for oxygen, this will be excess, and then for AlO3, this will be 0. So we want to get rid of all of our aluminum, so we'll subtract 2.44. Then 2/3 of 2.44 is 3.66. We'll subtract that as well, and since this has the same proportion, we'll be adding 2.44. So then for our after, this will give us 0, our excess as well, and then this will be 2.44. Then as you can see, we finished with 3.66 for our oxygen. So that's how much oxygen we had to use, but next we have to transform that into grams. So to change moles to grams, we're going to take the 3.66 mole that we found in our BCA table and multiply it by the molar mass given to us in the periodic table. But since it's diatomic, we have to multiply that amount by 2, so the original was 16.00, so we just multiplied that by 2 and gave us 32. Then our answer will be 117.12 grams oxygen. Okay, then we need to convert AlO3 to grams as well. So we're going to take the 2.44 that we found in the BCA table and multiply it by the amount of grams of AlO3. So we'll take 26.98, which is the grams of aluminum, times 3 oxygens, so that'll be 48, and then you add those together and get 74.98. So we're going to do 74.98 times 2.44, and that'll give us 182.95 grams AlO3. So for our final answer, we found that 117.12 grams O2 was burned and 182.95 grams AlO3 was made.